Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Michelle Nedwick, and I am documenting my health journey, which first started on the Optavia 5-in-1 plan, where I lost about 25 pounds over the course of a couple of months, and then got a breast cancer diagnosis, which set me back a little bit. Over the following half a year, I was up and down in my weight while I had surgery and radiation. So everything is good so far. I have had clean scans the last time I had my checkup. But I've been on Optavia on and off for about a year and a half, and I just feel like I need a little bit of a change. So I started back at Weight Watchers a couple weeks ago. I'm a lifetime member. I became a lifetime member after I had my daughter Mandy 27 years ago. And over the years, I've done Weight Watchers several times. So now I'm back. My best friend Gina and I go every Saturday, and I would like to share my week 2 results. But first, I would like to share a recipe with you. I am going to make taco pie. So what I'm going to need for the taco pie recipe is 1 pound of lean ground beef. Now this is a little over a pound of 96% lean ground beef that I got at Aldi. I'm gonna saute that in a pan, and then I'm gonna add 2/3 cup of salsa and a packet of taco seasoning. And then in the meantime, I'm going to use a tube of crescent rolls to form the crust in my 9-inch pie pan. So I will open this can up and I will press the crescent rolls into a crust. And then when the meat mixture is done cooking, I'm going to put that in the middle as the pie filling. And then I'm going to top it with 2/3 cup of reduced fat Mexican style cheese. Now, before I add the meat mixture, I will bake the crust for about 5 minutes at 350. Then I'll take that out and put the meat mixture in it, and then top it with the 2/3 cup of cheese. And then that goes back in the oven at 350 for about 10 to 12 minutes, and then I let it cool for 5 to 8 minutes. And then I'm going to cut that into 6 equal portions. Each portion has 9 Weight Watchers points. So I will also be topping my taco pie with some shredded lettuce and some tomato and probably some jalapeno and perhaps some non-fat Greek yogurt. So let me get started with that recipe.
It's 1 a.m. and I ain't tired. I can stand right here and talk all night if you want. I ain't got no place to be, no one's waiting for me. I won't lie, I'm into you. Got like a million ideas what we could do, 'cause I'm not gonna let you slip away. I won't waste this. There's something about the way you fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turned up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love? When you talk or listen close, there's just something about your voice. I think that every word you say to me is like poetry. I just want you for my own. It's really easy to tell that you're the best girl I've ever known. I'm not gonna waste this. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turned up the pace. I don't care about what what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love? There's something about the way you fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turning up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love?
Okay, so I got my taco pie out of the oven and it looks absolutely delicious. So if you saw, I chopped up some tomato and shredded some lettuce because I'm going to be taking the taco pie over to Mike's tonight and have him try it. And so, like I said, I'm going to cut the pie into 6 servings, and they are 9 points a piece. So I look forward to having my taco pie and topping it with my toppings, and I will let you know how it turns out. But in the meantime, I wanted to share my second week Weight Watcher results. So I was a little disappointed this week because I faithfully tracked and I stayed on plan and I didn't have any wine and stayed within 23 points a day. And I lost 0.8. Now, as you guys know, I started out my weight loss journey on the Optavia 5-in-1 plan, and that plan does work, and it works fast. But like I said in a previous video, I was having some health problems and I was finding it difficult to stay on plan. And so I would go on my Optavia plan during the week. I would hit fat burn, which you do after about 4 days. And then I would fall off on the weekends, and then I would start all over again and throw my body into fat burn. And I kept doing the hardest part over and over. So that's why I decided to try Weight Watchers until the first of the year. Now, I actually really like the Weight Watchers program. It is so much more flexible. And, you know, when I was on the Optavia 5-in-1, going to events and things would make me nervous because I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to stay on plan. I was worried about eating fuelings in front of people and people wondering why I'm not eating whatever food or drink at the party. Anyway, so I avoided going out and doing things. But with Weight Watchers, I feel like I can still do those things, especially if I plan ahead. For example, if I know I'm gonna have a night out, I can have 0-point foods leading up to my evening out so that I can have a nice dinner and maybe a couple of glasses of wine and still stay on the plan. I also really want to start to incorporate exercise back into my diet. I walked at least twice this week. I got over 10,000 steps. So I was happy about that, but I definitely need to up my game. So now I'm entering week number 3, and next week is Thanksgiving, and my boyfriend Mike and I are going to Pennsylvania to visit my daughter's fiance's family. They have invited us for Thanksgiving dinner, and we're going to be staying in a hotel near where they live, and we're going to be gone for 3 nights. So I know it's going to be difficult to really stay on plan. So today's meeting was about planning for unexpected events and what you can do. So what I think that I'm going to do is bring my workout clothes and shoes and do the treadmill at least twice while I'm there. The hotel has a nice workout room. I checked online. So at least if I'm not staying precisely on plan, at least I'm getting some exercise so that I'm burning more calories. The other thing I'm going to do is bring some snacks that I know I can have on plan. And honestly, I probably am going to bring some Optavia shakes and bars, because that is one nice thing about the Optavia plan. It's very portable. So most of the fuelings are 2 or 3 points. So I'm going to bring some of those that I can have on hand. I'm also going to bring some fruit. I know there's a mini fridge, so fruit is free on the Weight Watchers program. And I'm also going to just be mindful of what I eat. So yes, this little trip is making me nervous as far as my diet goes, but it's only 3 days and I can get right back on track. And I'm still gonna actually try to track it just to get an idea of what I'm eating, because I think when you don't track, it's easier to go off the rails. So that's my game plan. So I'm actually gonna weigh in on Wednesday morning before Thanksgiving, and I'm gonna call that my week 3 results. So that will be in an upcoming video. So I'm going to take my taco pie to Mike's, and we're going to have dinner there, and we'll see how Mike likes it. I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, so I am at Mike's. Say hi, Mike.
Hi.
He's decorating his tree. So I made the taco pie and I brought it over here and I doctored it up with lettuce and tomato and some sour cream, Greek yogurt. And I put some habanero sauce on mine, and it was delicious. Did you like your taco pie, Mike?
It was fantastic.
Okay, that's great. So I'm gonna say goodbye for now. If you liked this video, please like it below and subscribe to my channel. And tick that notification bell so you are alerted every time I upload a new video. Have a great night, and I will see you next time.